Marco Polo Hotel and Residences. That's the Marco Polo Hotel, and those are the residences of Marco Polo. Those are the Tower 1, 2, and 3. This is the Tower 1. That's the Tower 1. And those are the Towers 2 and 3. And that's the hotel, the Marco Polo Hotel. That's the Tower 1 of Marco Polo, and that's the hotel, Marco Polo Hotel. And the Tower 1. And this is the going to the residence of Marco Polo. Oh my god, walay parking where I can park. And this is the amenities of, that's the central amenities of Marco Polo. And there is a noise background because there is the Tower 2 is still Tower 5. That's the Tower 5 ongoing construction, and that's the Tower 2. And that's the Tower 3. And that's the Tower 4. So all in all, we have 5 towers for the residential of Marco Polo, and we have one Marco Polo Hotel building. And this is developed by the Federal Land. And this is their very first project here in Cebu. And soon, we will be opening the second project of the Federal Land here in Cebu. Thank you so much. Let's go now to the unit. And this is the amenity floor of the Marco Polo. We have first the wellness studio. We'll just go there because people is inside, and we have this conference room. We will try if someone is inside. So this is the one of the conference rooms of the Marco Polo. And this one is the toilet and bathroom. And this one's leading us to the open amenities, but we will check it here first. This is the wellness studio of Marco Polo. We have the gym, but people is inside, do not go there. And we have this pantry storage, the function hall. And the chapel. Na may ano diao kanang theater ay game room ba? Sa diya sa ubos. Sulod na dito. And this is the pool of the Marco Polo. That's the Tower 5. Ongoing construction of Tower 5. The pool. Magpa-video daw ko dito na pita mo. Let's go to the Tower 1. This is the Tower 1. Let's try to check some amenities of the Tower 1. That's the gym. The receiving area of the Tower 1.
And this is the maid's room or the laundry area with one toilet and bathroom. The kitchen. The dining area. Living area. And the first bedroom of the unit. And we will check the view. This is the view. Marco Polo Hotel. And that's below. Let's go back. And let's check this small bedroom here. And let's go to the main bedroom of the unit. Main bedroom. The amenities of Marco Polo. Tower 1 and the Tower 1 of Marco Polo and the Marco Polo Residences Hotel, I mean, and this is the Tower 2 of Marco Polo. The closet and the bathroom. Marco Polo.
Walang ginayan ka ng Marco Polo mo noon kaysa una sir, no?
Tungod sa hotel.
Hindi mo. Muli ako namataan ba ang Marco Polo din? Kanang mga...
Nisikat siya kay siya ba ini pinakauna diri ng nag-anog bukid yun. Eh di siya pinakauna, siya ang murag na luxury ba, pinaka first nga luxury sa bukid ba.
Murag 5-star. Diba?
Oo. Kinagugoy kliyente nga Japanese nga kanang diri sila nagkaila sa iyang asawa sa Marco Polo diri sa hotel nya dihasad sila gikasal. Kaya may murag ano kay nila ba Marco Polo kanang murag.
Oo.
Actually nakapalit na sila unit sa Marco Polo Residence. Pero ilang gibaligya kay nagtukod sila balay sa Amara.
Okay, pwede naman no kay wife ayang Pilipina, ayang wife Pilipina.
Oo.
So under sa